Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill. Class 5 English version Math. Fractions chapter. Exercise 6B. Exercise 6B. Question number 1. Calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and up to 15, 16. There are 16 problems here we have to solve, but we won't be solving all. Instead, we will solve each type of problems. For example, the fraction and into whole number. See, fraction into whole number, we will solve 1 for you. 1. Then we will solve 2 proper fractions, multiplication of 2 proper fractions. For example, we can solve 5 or 6. Okay, let's solve 6. And then we will solve 2 big fractions, 12, big looking, 15 by 64, 40 by 21. And then we will solve one mixed fraction and one proper fraction. Okay, number 15. But we have to solve one whole number also. Okay, let us solve one whole number. What about number 14? 14, then 15. And if possible, we will solve 16 also. Okay, let us start with number 1. What we will do, we will calculate. The operation here, they used only the multiplication, only one sign. So it will not be difficult for you to calculate. Let us start. 2 over 3 into 4. So 4 means 4 over 1. But we don't need to write that. Just the system. Let's follow. 2 over 3 into 4. We will always multiply the whole number, multiply the numerator into, we'll consider it, this is part of numerator. For example, we can write it 2 into 4 over 3. Just that simple. Always whole number will be multiplied and will be placed on the top. It will be part of numerator, not denominator. Equals to 4 into 2 means 8 over 3. So this is an improper fraction. 8 is larger. So we have to change it to or convert it to proper fraction or mixed fraction. How we do it? 8. 3 divides 8. 3 into 2. 6. 2. So 2 and 2/3. 2 and 2/3. Answer. 2 and 2/3. Number 6. 3 over 4 into 3 over 8. 3 over 4 into 3 over 8 equals to. So how we multiply? We will multiply the denominators to multiply, for example, 4 into 8, and we will multiply the numerators 3 into 3 equals to 3 into 3 is 9, 4 into 8 is 32. Can we reduce it to small fraction? No. So that will be the answer. This is a proper fraction. No need to change. Answer. 9 over 32. Next, number 12. 15 over 64. 15 over 64 into 40 over 21, 40 over 21 equals to, now we have, before we do the operation or the multiplication, we have to try to reduce it if possible. How we reduce? Remember always a fraction. For example, 3 by 6. If we multiply it with same number, it doesn't change. So it doesn't change. If we divide a fraction by same number, for example, if we divide by 2, both numerator and denominator, the value doesn't change. So how we reduce here? We can divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. We have to check which numbers we can divide. For example, 15, we can divide it by 3, and we can divide 21 by 3. Okay, 15, if we divide by 3, it is 5. If we divide 21 by 3, it is 7. Now we can divide 64 and 40 by 8. So it will be 5. This will be, if we divide by 8, it will be 8. So what we get here, 5 into 5. 5 into 5. And we get the new denominator, 8 into 7. 8 into 7 equals to 25 over 56. Answer is 25 over 56. Now number 14. Ten into 4 over 5. 10 into 4 over 5. Okay, we can write 10 into 4 over 5. The new denominator will be 5 and the numerator will be 10 into 4. But before we write the answer, we can reduce it. Whenever possible, we will reduce the fraction. Okay, how? We can divide. 10 is a multiple of 5 and 5 is a multiple of 5. So we can divide by 5. Divide 10 by 5, we get 2. Divide 5 by 5, we get 1. So 2 into 4 and the denominator is 1, means it will be a whole number. 4 into 2 is 8. 8. So answer is 8. 15. 3 and 1/4. 3 and 1/4 into 2 over 13. 2 over 13 equals to, we have to change the mixed fraction, convert it to improper fraction. 3 into 4 plus 1 is 13 over 4 into 2 over 13. Before we do the calculation, we will always try to reduce if possible. That makes calculation easy. Here we can divide 13 and 13, divide the numerator and denominator by 13. Divide by 13, it is 1. Divide by 13, it is 1. Divide by 2 and divide by 2, because this is a multiple of 2. So divide by 2, it is 1. Divide by 2, it is 2. So new denominator is 2 into 1. New numerator is 1 into 1 equals to 1 over 2, means half. The answer, half. Thank you everyone. If you have a question, please write it in the comment box. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.